So some of you guys think I will only build boats now, but that is not the case. I just wanted to test build one, and I mean, look at this cute little thing. I'm in love with it. It's so funny. So yeah, I'm gonna get some weathering on this one and finish it up and then get back to the trucks, don't you worry. I will also leave a link in the description if you want to get the files for this boat. It was a really easy build, and I mean, look at it. Ain't it really cute? Yes, I will get back to build trucks now. Don't you worry about that. See you guys.